Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
At oras na para sa ating Byahe Sender of the Night. Ito ay sinend sa atin sa ating Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. My love, tara na't basahin ang biyahe ng buhay ni Lawrence. Dear DJ Lala, habang hinahanap ko kung saan ko nilagay. Hindi, sabi dito, Dear DJ Lala, magandang gabi or umaga sa'yo. Papa-advise lang po sana ako kung tama ba ang desisyon ko na bitawan ko na yung taong mahal na mahal ko dahil lang sa gusto ng magulang ko na makapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral bago ako pumasok sa isang relasyon. Sana po mapansin mo to and more power to your show. Well, my love, if that is your question, then your parents are right and your decision was wrong. Right as well. Tama naman yung decision mo, my love. Hindi naman kasi nantitrip yung mga magulang natin eh. I just want you to realize na hindi mura ang magpaaral ng anak. Hindi din mura ang magpalaki ng bata. Yung expenses nyo alone ay isipin nyo na lang sacrifices of your parents. They could have had an amazing life traveling the world, but they put your needs on top of their priorities. Not just because they are supposed to do that, but because they love you. Isipin nyo yung mga sakripisyong kailangan nilang gawin, yung pagod na kailangan nilang tanggapin para lang mabigyan kayo ng magandang bukas. So if your parents do not agree na atupagin ninyo yung pakikipagrelasyon ninyo rather than atupagin ninyo yung pag-aaral ninyo, then you should understand na they are not doing that for themselves. Para makuha nila yung investment nila back or para magkaroon ng bunga yung sacrifices nila, but because they want you to have a good life. So kung sinunod mo sila, I don't want you to think, not for a second, that you made the wrong decision because you did made the right decision. One of these days, kapag nakatapos ka na ng pag-aaral, kapag naabot mo na yung sabihin na nating goal mo in life, which is to be an engineer, to be a nurse, to be a doctor, to be a lawyer, to be a firefighter, to be a computer genius, to be part of the media industry, to be a psychologist, whatever it is na tinatrabaho mo dyan sa eskwela mo. Kapag na-reach mo na yun, my love, you'll have all the time in the world to date someone, to be with someone, to find someone that can be your romantic partner. Pero as of the moment, you have to get your priorities straight. So, don't take it against your parents kapag sinabi nilang wala muna ng jowa. Wag muna kayong magjowa. Unahin nyo muna yung pag-aaral ninyo. Because they mean well, my love. They are not doing that kasi nantitrip lang sila. They really mean well. They really want you to succeed in life. They want you to have a better life than kung ano yung kinalakhan nila. Or better than sa kinalakhan nila. So yes, you made the right decision. One day, if magtagpo uli yung landas ninyong dalawa, kapag, alam niyo yun, years have passed and both of you became who you wanted to be, kapag nagtagpo kayo ulit at nararamdaman nyo pa rin yung nararamdaman nyo para sa isa't isa, maybe, pwede nyo nang ituloy yung naudlot ninyong pagmamahalan. Again, I just don't want you to take it against your parents for breaking you guys apart. They don't mean to hurt you. They don't mean to put you in pain. It's not true that they don't understand you because they do. Nanggaling din sila dyan. They just want you to have the best in life. They just want you to have everything that this life has to offer. At naniniwala sila, and I do believe in them as well when they say, it all starts in education. Being educated. Having a diploma. That is, sabihin na natin, an advantage para makuha mo yung goals mo in life. I'm not saying na kapag hindi ka nakapagtapos, wala ka nang paroroonan sa buhay. It's not that. It's just that it's an advantage. At gusto nilang makuha all the possible advantage na pwede mong makuha in this world to get there. So my love, for now, goodbye muna sa kanya. Pero maybe, somewhere down the road, magtagpo kayo ulit. Klaro? Klaro.